Not happy with it. Not happy. Jen, I'm gonna reuse the paint. I'll reuse the paint in the canvas, but so excited about this piece. Love the colours, but I'm just not happy with it. And I know I'll forever be looking at it thinking, what if I... So, I know you're probably screaming at me, but I'm doing it. Doing it. Okay, plan 65 million. Anyway, let's go. Something completely different. I've just washed my MDF thingy doovers, so I'm gonna see what I can get out of this. I've got another idea of same colours. Right, so just the white and the Gerald, the champagne gold. I'm gonna blow it all out. Or maybe some more of this pearlescent. That'll make it really sparkle with all those other metallics in there. So, start from my little blower. Rosie, I cannot do this with you under my feet, girl. Move up, come on. That's a good girl. Okay, let's try this. That was a big blowout. Absolutely love. I never got, missing some paint over here, but that's okay. I just use my finger to pop it. It'll be fine. Beautiful. Right. EO. I'm going to use this really deep. We're going to do a whole garland of blown out florals in the same colour combo with that gorgeous background. I think it will look super duper, but so did I think the other one would. I will try that other method again in a different way, I guess. So, yeah, when this colour comes out, it looks real like burnt umber, but as you see, it's just turned into the most gorgeous colour. So this is the just metallic gold. And then I'm going to use my white. I could put my champagne gold in there too, but I don't think I will. I'll just put a little bit of the, well, it's deep berry delicious, or probably more like aubergine or deep plum or something. Let's see, let's get me balloon at the ready, because it will have some balloon kisses in here to make it look like a blown florals, like I want it to look like. Let's start up here, let's go for it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Just give my balloon a little go in there. I probably would like to, oh, look at that. I can put that balloon kiss onto my wax paper. I just thought I was going to add a little bit of more plum in there, but plum or berry delicious, but that's absolute, that's just sparkling already. Oh yeah, baby. I'm going to just drop a bit of the berry again in there. Call it a different name every time, don't I? I just think this is going to really throw out nice contrast against all that sort of, when you blow out the background like that, it really creates like a smoky effect. Oh, I love those balloon kisses. And I call them the balloon kisses, not balloon smashes or dips, because when you press them down on the canvas, it makes a kiss sound. That's why I named them balloon kisses many moons ago. Now I've gone light-headed like I always do when I do those blows out. So many of them. If I could get a tool that would just do that short, sharp blow like that the straw does, but I haven't found anything that's as controlled as the straw for a short, sharp blow. So my little stainless steel straws with that silicone bendy end, I can put them, well I do put them in the dishwasher to clean them. They don't look it, but I do, I just shove them in there. It's only me using them, but you never know. Oh, I've gone a bit, I wish I'd sort of kept the pattern. Maybe another one down here, but just that will do. Like, just that will do. Just we'll do some little floaters. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Oh, I'm much happier with this now than the previous one, because I can work with this to soften it up, or so she says, and then probably come back and I'll have changed it, but never mind. Let's remember it's the journey, not the final destination. Okay. I just like doing these little traces to little stemmy things from one to the other. You don't have to. This is probably going to be a very long video, so I might separate it into 2 videos, but I love that. And if you know me, I don't like things central, and I don't know if I hang pictures up on the wall or a cupboard, I can't do it in centre. I don't like it in the centre. That's going a bit wibbly wobbly, but oh my goodness, that is gorgeous colours. I'm going to get another canvas and do another in these colours. I'm obsessed. I'll bring you down, have a little look-see. Oh goodness, I've got a lot of glare back because I've got all the lights on here. It's a very dull, rainy day. But see that real smoky background really is something special than just leaving it plain, I believe. But that's it, my art, my rules, my way. Same with you. But that colour combo is super delicious and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I really hope you do too. And as I said, I'll probably separate the video from the first one you see I scraped. That will have already been plain, and then this one, because it'll just be too long and boring, I guess. So I'm going to leave these to dry, and if I need to add any more detail, of course I will. But yeah, a bit of glare back there. There's another one I did in that fabulous colour combo. Well, it was different than this colour combo, but it was equally as nice when I was doing it. So there you go, my lovelies. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. And remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Bye for now.